This is a brand new 2015 Kia Optima. This four-door sedan has a 6-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, speed-sensitive volume controls, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, leather seats, front and rear floor mats, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, a power driver's seat, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.